What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week we have 940 A-Frames, 950 A-Frames, and there are also 2 A-Frames missing that I wanted to show you last week already, but I recognized after I finished the video, and I want to be very honest with this, you know, this happens. I forgot about to show them off, so I'm very sorry for that, and I will do it today, that's for sure. And I would say let's start with these 2 classics that I missed last week, and we are talking about 2 teams from New York. The first one, super classic, the New York Mets with their World Series 69 side patch, and then we got a royal snap on the back, we got the orange button on the top and the orange one color logo in the front, gray UV, black guts, beautiful side patch with the metallic gold, and you can already see that this is super shiny, right? Gray UV, black guts, that's the first one, super clean ones, and the second one is even cleaner. And this is the New York Yankees, all black with one of your favorite World Series side patches, the 99 World Series, beautiful hat. New York Yankees, black and white, you cannot go wrong with this, and also a black snap on the back, gray UV and black guts. So these 2 I forgot last week, and I'm very sorry about that. And let's go over to this week. So we have some MLB, we have NHL, we have 2 very special hats, and I got a new brand that I would like to show off today to you guys. So first, let's start with this. This was a takedown from an existing 5950, and boy oh boy, this hook came out so great to the Japanese national team jersey from Shohei Ohtani, Showtime in the front, red and gold, and then you have the Japanese flag on the side with this super nice dark gray. This looks amazing, gray snap on the back, the Showtime beautiful hat, gray UV and black guts, and this pops off really great of this fantastic hat. So we got, so there's 3 hats coming, but I have 2 that I want to show off. Those NHL hats are super nice. Those are truckers, especially for summer, and you can see this super nice outdoor color. So you got on the back, you got this camo. I hope you can see this in the camera. Yeah, here you can see it. Camo, woodland camo colored mesh, soft mesh, super nice to wear. And then on the front you got this rifle green, and all these logos are also in that rifle green color. And then as an addition you get also a wonderful woodland camo UV, and this time this is for the NHL. There is more coming, that's for sure. So those are 2 drops this week, and next week there are coming more. So there will be also an Hartford Whalers this week, and I have the Canucks here, and the second one that I have here is this wonderful, beautiful Chicago Blackhawks. No side patches on these, super clean. I mean, they are really great, and I'm super happy how they came out. Gray, not gray UV, sorry. Woodland camo UVs, black guts. And let me know in the comments what you think about those, but I really like that colorware. So super nice outdoor look. Okay, so a lot of you guys are asking me, Pat, can you bring more 950 A-frames? Of course, and we are starting to bring in more of these 950 A-frames. All right, let's go to the 2 950 A-frames that I want to show off today. And those are takedowns from 2 very popular styles. So we already had them as a 5950 fitted hat, and I know some of you guys always ask me, hey, can you make this as a snapback? Of course we can. That's the reason why we are always listening to you guys. Fantastic metallic red, metallic silver, the electric Braves, now also available on a snapback. So if fitted hats is nothing for you, you can have it here on a snapback as a 950 A-frame. That's the first one. And the second one is our very popular chrome and black with the Korean LA Dodgers script in the front, and this is a beauty. So you can wear this hat every day. I like the Korean flag on the side, chrome dome, black button visor, black snap on the back, super clean hat, and I like those Asian scripts. They look really, really cool, and this is something which makes the hat absolutely different. And this is the second 950 A-frame from this week that I want to show off. So just that you guys know, I'm not showing every hat off that we are dropping on both stores. And we are also trying to get the regular Topperzstore Europe in sync now with Topperzstore USA, so that we have the same drops, probably also on the same days, and more of this stuff is coming, like on the 950s. And by the way, if you're watching that video that far, I'm assuming that you like the video. If you like the video and you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free. It will help the channel a lot, and I would highly appreciate it. And you can join the Topperzstore family, and this is totally free for you. And at the end of the video, of course, if you like the video, also please hit the like button. This would be absolutely cool. All right, so then I have two more 940 A-frames, but before we come to that, I would like to show you a new brand that we are having, and this brand is called Parallel Union. You can see it here on the side patch. And we got a first collection from Parallel Union with Old English letters in the front. So super clean hats, all black. And then you have those Old English letters in the front. They are super lightweight. They feel really, really good. Classic A-frames, you can see here, with a higher crown and a fantastic, super clean embroidery. So if you are looking for something super clean, black and white with Old English scripts, this is the way to go. Gray UV, black guts, and also a black snap on the back. And we have several Old English logos. We got this S, then we have this O, and the embroidery is super crisp. They look really, really good. Then you got this P, and two more. We got this F, and we also have this super nice A in the front. So they are now online, and they will be available on both stores. So this week we also have a special for all our members from Mexico, or who love the hats from Mexico. And this double pack was already released as a 5950, and due to the fact that we got so many requests from you guys, we also decided to bring these beautiful hats also on a 940 A-frame. And as you can already see, super nice details, metallic gold. This looks absolutely gorgeous on this black hat. Black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. And I can already tell you that there is coming more, because the WBC is just around the corner, and there will be again very, very nice exclusive hats coming. So the second one is this beautiful chrome dome. You can see on the side the eagle and the beautiful metallic pewter outline M on the front. This makes this M pop off really good of this chrome dome. We got a black button visor. We got the side patch here, also with metallics. And then you got this black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, beautiful hats. These two are dropping probably early next week. So what I'm trying to do now is also that I'm trying to shift a little bit more ahead so that you guys can see what's coming next, okay? So to finish that up, I have two more hats for you. The first one, super nice, the Los Astros with the Mexican flag on the side. And then you also have here the colors in the front, Los Astros, beautiful metallic gold outline. This looks fantastic. And then you have a black snap and a Kelly green UV on this one. And the last hat that I have for you guys today is also a takedown that we did from 5950 hat, and this is a beauty. Look at this. The Lou in metallic pewter and metallic red. Such a clean hat, and it looks also gorgeous on a 940 A-frame. All black, black snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, the Lou. So I can already tell you that there will be also a lot of restocks. So it is absolutely necessary, if you're looking for the hat that you missed out, that you watch from time to time on the site, because we are updating the site nearly every 5 to 6 hours at the moment. And there are a lot of restocks already in the pipe, because I told you there was a time when we had a little bit of delay on the new deliveries. And I can tell you there is a lot of new stuff that has arrived, and the team is working heavily on uploading those styles. So you will have new styles and restocks every day, like usual, again at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. I would like to thank you guys for tuning in, and more important, let me know in the comments below which hats did you like from this week and which teams would you like to see next at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. So yeah, I mean, I can't wait to see you guys next week again. And if you want to see my top 5 fitted hats of the week, tune in on Sunday. There will be a new video like every week. And if you want to see what's next on the fitted hats for the upcoming week, make sure you tune in. Cap Talk episode 203 next Monday, same time like always. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in, and I hope you can enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out. Bye.